All right. 99 Stadium Club. I want to do our 99 Stadium Club. We're looking for these, we're looking for this time. One of a kind, cosigners, Stadium Club. Again, this is 99 Stadium Club we're on. Not yet. You do. What's going on here? We got Will Clark. You want the printing plate from them? Alright, let's see something. Or is this going to be a Future Stars, Michael Barrett? Yeah. Sheffield, Cliff Floyd. Remember Cliff Floyd? There's a Palmero. Luis Gonzalez. Derek Jeter. Luminous. Jeter Luminous. There's a cool die cut on that. I have no idea. Alex Rodriguez. Video replay. Boy, he's doing the splits. Yes. Plenty to go. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 some boxes still. Chipper Jones never compromise. It's nothing special in that. We hit one 24 karat. Correct. The Levon was a regular one. David Ortiz. Yeah, what is this? 99 Stadium Club. Orlando Hernandez never compromise. Yeah. Hey, another one. Sammy Sosa video replay. And that was our box of 99. What is it? 99 Stadium Club.